every year SIMS has been growing and growing bigger and better and stronger. But what stands out is, and which is very evident, is that we in our rankings have gone up. And rankings are not just, perceptual rankings, but even also the other rankings which are, very well defined. So therefore, we're doing very well on all fronts.
We have a lot of alumni who have been working for top MNCs as well. And sir, I'd like to ask you this. How does SIMS differentiate itself from other MBA colleges?
SIMS is different in the fact that, we are a cradle for not just management, but for leadership. While others may be training managers, our emphasis is more on leadership. And that we provide through various opportunities to the students. And we give them, we facilitate them if they want to be entrepreneurs, if they want, to gain something more.
Initially, we go through the document verification and the identity check for the candidates. And after that, we give them a short written ability test. The test is generally based on abstract topics or could be a table analysis kind of questions. After that, we put them to the round of group discussion and later on followed by the personal interview. The process provides a fair opportunity to every candidate as we try to process and we try to see of how much candidate knows rather than focusing on the limitations or the weaknesses of the candidate.
I think joining SIMS was one of the finest decisions that I ever made. Right from the day of orientation to the day till date, it's been a wonderful experience being here. Be it the infrastructure, be it the faculty, be it the peer group you have, be it anything, I think it is an incredibly wonderful experience to be here.
In terms of experiences that you're looking for, yes, SIMS do provides you great number of opportunities. We have around 10 different cells which gives you different knowledge or different exposure to different verticals, and around 25 different cells, clubs, which helps you give exposure to different things, including culturals or technicals.
We also have faculties who have varied industrial experience, and also that we have great opportunities in terms of sports, and the college is known for its discipline over here. And this is one of the colleges which gives you the maximum amount of ROI in terms of education, and it's been a wonderful experience.
SIMS actually has been very exciting for me. It has provided me with a lot of opportunities, especially in terms of I'm a part of a cell called Sports Cell, and we're named as TAGS, which stands for SIMS Team for Administration of Games and Sports.
If you'll be coming here and want to apply for the cell, remember the full form. It's very important.
Please remember the full form of TAGS.
Okay, so also, how has TAG helped you, grow in SIMS as a person?
So I have always been a sports person, like throughout school, and before coming to SIMS I had a work experience of 2 years. So I was like completely out of playing and actually having the opportunity to participate as a team and play tournaments. So I'm very happy that I'm actually getting that opportunity here. And it's not just like intra-college, it's inter-college, and you go to other colleges, like currently we are going to have this ISB Hyderabad tournament, and our college is participating.
So what kind of opportunities has SIMS given you guys?
So we came here as people who just liked art and maybe liked photography and stuff, but we actually tried to learn stuff, graphic designing, new things basically.
It's given us a direction which we were, almost all of us were lacking. Something to tread on, learn, simultaneously execute, and and to be in a group and do all that, that's fun.
By far my ride has been a bit roller coaster, but it's a good one. Why? Because when I came here for the interview, it was a very hot sunny day and everything, but our seniors made sure that whatever process we go through, like going through the interview, making sure that we are getting everything that we need, helping us with our documents, everything, they were with us in every step. And after that, once the results came and we joined, I would like to say that there's never a day which has gone by without me enjoying every single day of this college.
I've never been out of my house before, and I'm living a hostel life, and SIMS being defense majority, I came around to meet a lot of people whom
the kind of lifestyle that they've been in, I've never like experienced it, being an open category over here. So I've never experienced this kind of life. So yeah, that's one thing that Sims is given to me.
I would like to tell them that this year the number of registrations have really increased. Now for just 30 seats in the open category, we've got almost 11,000 plus who have applied. So therefore it is going to be extremely difficult to get into Sims. So if you are thinking of joining Sims, then you really need to do well in the SNAP exam, and I would like you to do so, because don't miss on this opportunity of joining Sims for what it is, because it is really going to transform your life. And we, like true to our motto, make a difference, we will make a difference in your career and in your life.